In this video, we will discuss how to create a professional website using WordPress. But before we get on with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon so that you don't miss out on great content on WordPress and WooCommerce. We will discuss how to create a professional website using WordPress in 7 simple steps. We will start from selecting a website name, buy a hosting plan, install WordPress, install theme, install basic plugins, create basic web pages, and finally starting a blog. So let's start with our first step. It's a really good idea to construct your website's name. A good domain name should sound unique, easy to memorize, and include a niche keyword for your brand. Domain Wheel offers you great help in deciding on a domain name. It uses artificial intelligence to suggest available names based on your input. They also give suggestions of short, brandable names that have better chances of becoming popular. To buy hosting, you can choose Bluehost. It is a reputable web host that's optimized for WordPress and will make sure that your website operates with no hiccups. Bluehost gives a domain name for free. Its interface is easy to use and user-friendly. If you are a beginner and you're launching a new site, the basic plan is going to be enough. It starts at $2.95 per month. In the next step, enter the domain name that you've decided. Installing WordPress on Bluehost. WordPress is widely preferred as a website builder. Some of the standout features that make WordPress a preferred choice include it being open source, free, easy to customize, secure, mobile, and SEO friendly. Once you're logged in, Bluehost will show the process of installing WordPress. After logging in successfully, you'll see the main WordPress interface. Welcome message. Some of the most important areas of the admin panel are listed as quick shortcut links to customize your website. Posts. Go here to create blog posts. Media. Upload, manage images and other media files here. Pages. Go here to create web pages. Comments. This is where you can moderate comments. Appearance. Change your site's design or customize how certain things are displayed on the website. Plugins. Install new plugins here. Users. Manage user accounts to access the admin panel. Settings. Manage website configurations. Pick a theme for your website. You can switch the way your WordPress website looks with just one click using the interchangeable designs called themes. There's a huge abundance of WordPress themes. You can explore thousands of themes on the official directory at wordpress.org. There are a lot more free themes on the web on third-party sites. Go to Appearance, then Themes from your WordPress dashboard, and then click on Add New. You can upload the downloaded themes from here. To install a new plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard, from there go to Plugins, then Add New. You will see a screen with suggested plugins. In the search bar, you can type the name of the required plugin, such as the Google Analytics plugin. Click the Install button. When it's completed, you can click the Activate button. We suggest you install these basic and free plugins. Yoast SEO helps you make search engine optimization tweaks and make your site more accessible to the search engines in general. Google Analytics for WordPress. This one integrates your website with the most popular traffic analysis solution on the web. WordFence Security improves the security of your WordPress site. Updraft Plus does automatic backups of your website. WP Forms lets you add interactive contact forms to your website, which your visitors can use to reach you directly, much better than displaying your email in plain text on your site. Create basic web pages. Let's see how to create a new page. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard, Pages, then Add New. You'll see this screen where you can add the necessary page information and customize it using the various blocks. Home page is the name of the main page of a website where visitors can find hyperlinks to other pages on the site. About. This page is where you get to tell the story of what your website is all about and why people should pay attention. Privacy policy. A privacy policy is a document telling visitors to your site what information you collect and what you do with that information. Contact. This is where you can display some contact information along with a nice contact form, through which people can reach you directly. Store. If you want to create an e-commerce store, you can use the most popular WooCommerce plugin and sell your products or services online. Consider starting a blog. A blog is the most effective and convenient way to promote your website and products that you might want to sell through that website. 55% of marketers suggest that blogging is their top inbound marketing priority. You can publish blogs related to your products and services or just keep your visitors informed. To create a new blog post, go to Posts, then Add New. Here you can add heading, subheadings, the body of the blog, category, images, and much more. Just follow the previous steps and your professional WordPress website is ready without any expert help or coding knowledge. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our social media channels. Do let us know in the comments section if you want us to cover a specific topic, or if you have any ideas or suggestions.